Hey YouTube, this is my one and only video about Canvas, I think. So I have these two assignments in one of my classes and I want to copy them into other classes. There is more than one way to accomplish this, but this is the simplest way that I have discovered. So I'm going to click on the assignment and I'm going to come over to the far right and click on these three buttons. Now I'm going to click Copy To. Select the course. So this is third period. I want to copy it into fourth period. Scroll down, click on fourth period. I have the option of selecting the module I want it to go under, which will be the same module, Unit 1. Now, where do I want to place the assignment? I want to place it at the bottom, and now copy successfully. So now, let's go and check it out. So I'm going to go to Courses, click on that class, Modules, and there is the assignment. Now let's do it once more. Let's go back to third period. Modules. Find the assignment. This time I want to click on the classwork assignment. Go over to the three buttons. Click on Copy To. I also want to copy this into fourth period. The same module. And also add to the bottom. Click Copy. Close. Let's check it out. Courses. Fourth period. Modules. And there it is. Successfully copied into another course. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to subscribe.